5 best SMS backup apps for Android. Welcome back to the channel. Apps that help you back up, restore, export, and protect your text messages when switching phones, resetting your device, or just staying safe. 1. SMS Backup and Restore. With a rating of 3.9 and over 10 million download. This app does exactly what it promises. It backs up your SMS, MMS, and call logs, and lets you restore them anytime. You can save backups locally on your phone or automatically upload them to Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, which is super helpful if your phone gets lost or damaged. 2. SMS Backup. With a rating of 3.9 and over 500,000 download. This app focuses mainly on backing up your SMS messages into files that you can store on your phone or export manually. It's perfect if you don't want cloud sync, accounts, or complicated setup. Just open the app, tap Backup, and you're done. What makes this app different is its minimal design and speed. It's very light on storage and system resources, making it ideal for older or low-end Android phones. If you want a quick, offline SMS backup tool with zero distractions, this app gets the job done. 3. SMS Backup, Print and Restore. With a rating of 4.5 and over 500,000 download. Now, if you need your text for something official, like a legal thing or just to make a physical memory book, check out SMS Backup, Print and Restore. This app is the king of formatting. You can convert your chats into PDF, Word, or Excel sheets. The killer feature here is the printing support. It's super niche, but incredibly powerful if you need a hard copy of your messages. It even supports RCS and emojis, so your printed chats don't look like a glitchy mess from 2010. 4. SMS Backup and Restore. With a rating of 3.6 and over 1 million download. Don't confuse this one with the first app. SMS Backup and Restore by the all.backup.restore team is focused on speed and simplicity. It's a bit more of an all-rounder that also handles call logs and contacts. The standout feature here is the fast transfer tool. If you just bought a new phone and want to beam your messages from the old one to the new one over Wi-Fi direct without using the cloud, this app makes it happen in seconds. It's great for the privacy-conscious folks who don't want their data sitting on a server. 5. Textra SMS. With a rating of 4.3 and over 10 million. Finally, we have Textra SMS. Now, Textra isn't just a backup app. It's actually one of the best messaging apps, period. But it earns a spot here because it has its own internal database and syncing system. If you use Textra as your main app, it manages your messages much more efficiently than the stock Android app. The advantage? It's lightning fast, even if you have 50,000 texts. It's the best choice for people who want a better texting experience and a reliable way to keep their history organized without needing a second app. Which one are you going to use? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never lose your data again. Catch you in the next one.